Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my eyebrows. So let's get started. Alrighty, so we're going to begin by brushing up my eyebrows to the sky, but I just do this because it's the best orientation that I like my eyebrows to go towards, and it makes them the most well groomed. And then they're not the most even eyebrows out there, so what I end up doing is I just take the eyebrow pencil that I'm using and I press it against the bulb of my nose, or at the tip, and I press and make a line upwards at the beginning end of my eyebrow. And then once I've done that, I start defining the bottom part of my eyebrow that guides me into the most dense area of my eyebrow. And then I start filling in that area because that's what's has the most hair, and I can match the rest of my eyebrow too. So then it guides me towards the top, and then I start moving towards the tail, filling that part in. I do like to extend my eyebrow just a little bit to give it length, and then I bring the product down towards the bottom half of the tail. Then I bring the eyebrow pencil and fill in the front end, which is more sparse than the rest of my eyebrow, to even out with the darkness that I've made the rest of my eyebrow. And then I go to my other eyebrow and I repeat the same process, make the line in the front. I start defining the bottom half towards the more dense area of my eyebrow. And then I fill that in. It again guides me to the top area of my eyebrow towards the tail. I do have to work a little bit more on this eyebrow than the other one because it tends to be a little bit slimmer. It's very much so sparse than my other eyebrows, so I do fill it in the same way. I extend the tail a little bit, bring the product downward, and then I start focusing on any areas that are sparse. So in this case it would be the top. I would have to add a little bit more product, and the front end that has way less hair than the other side. Yes. And then once I've done that, I make sure to see if there's any other areas I would like to fill in, and if not, then we proceed to brushing. So I start brushing. Again, I brush in the same direction that I did earlier just to keep my eyebrow shape the same. And I do this until the lines that you've created are well blended into your eyebrows and skin, just a little bit diffused. And then I go back in and do fill in any product that has been removed to make sure to continue that evenness. And there you go. Those are my filled in eyebrows. I love filling in my eyebrows. It is the best feeling ever, and I am so happy to share this with you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.